Hello, my name is Milo, and in today's video I'm teaching you guys how to make your own Minecraft Endertoy. Now first of all I want to go over how to make your own Minecraft skin, but if you want to skip right to how to make your own Endertoy, there will be a time in the comment section below if you want to go check that out, or you can just look at the top right of your screen and you should see a time above. Now, first of all, you're going to have to go into your browser. It can be any browser, but I'm using Google Chrome for the sake of this video. Now, quickly search up Skindex Minecraft. Now, after that, go into editor. So now we're on our base. So quickly, what I'm going to do is to use the bucket tool to make this a lot quicker. So remember to press the buttons over here to go into greater depth with the colors. Now after you've gotten this, I've just realized you're meant to put the face on first. Now the reason you're meant to put the face on first is that it doesn't actually say anywhere where the face will be. So once you put on the face first, before you start moving your character around like this, you can actually be able to tell where your character is going to look, because you're not going to want a backward skin. But I guess I have a 50-50 chance at getting this right, so I'll take the risk. Now first of all, get out of the bucket tool and go into the normal pencil. Without that, you'll just create a mess, and you don't want to do that. You're going to have to just draw the eyes like so and so. After you've done that, remember, your eyes can look like anything. You can make it look very weird, like this. Or you can make it look really nice. It's your choice. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to make it look a bit like this. This is my green little monster, and he can look like anything. So I'm going to add a bit of hair. And I'm going to just speed a bit of this, just so you guys get the right idea. Now after you get the face done, you can add detailing, you can add clothing, you can add whatever you want. Okay, so now I'm finally finished. And all you gotta do is press download. After you press download, it will appear in your download file, which you'll be able to find right down here. Okay, now that we finally finished that off, we're gonna figure out how we make it into an Endertoy. Now quickly just search up Endertoys, like so. Then there's a bunch of options to choose from, but all we're going to do is press custom Minecraft toys and pixelated foam products. That is the Endertoys website. Okay, so now that we're on the website, there's tons of choices to choose from, but this is how to make your own Endertoy. But if you ever want to buy one of these guys, you can always buy one. You can buy Herobrine Boy, except this sold out. You can buy Green Big Mouth Guy. Now they don't actually name the YouTubers in these, and to a certain extent I get why, but also I'm sure they wouldn't mind if you just asked them, but that's not for today's video. So quickly go into custom toys right up here. Okay, so now that we're on the page, what you want to do is just enter in your file by pressing on choose file, going to your downloads and finding your Minecraft skin. For the sake of this video, I am going to just bleep all of this out and just choose one of these at random. There. I chose my file and it will enter in like this. After that, you can press add to cart. Now, there is a problem with this. If you have an Alex type skin, which means 3 pixels wide on the arms, it will not render properly. It is a problem, but that's how the Endertoys are made. If you want to get this fixed, you're going to have to go back into Skindex and fix it manually. Now, they do have a skin doctor, which will provide a bunch of things. Modify Alex skins to fit the Steve template. So you can just buy a skin doctor if you don't want to go on Skindex. But for the sake of this video, since I've already done this properly, I don't need to. So just press add to cart. And then you can view your cart. Okay, so now you'll have to go to checkout. And from there, it'll be pretty simple. You have to do the standard things you do with any website. Put in your details, buy it. Now, it will probably take 2 weeks at most. And you can always buy faster shipping. But if you want to know the price range all together, it'll cost you about £20 or 20 something dollars. And since I'm not from America, you can always use, if you just search up from dollars to any currency you have, but for this sake I'm going to go with pounds. You can see it's $13.99 just for the normal price. So $13.99. Oh, whoops. $13.99. That's £11. Now, if you have a different currency, feel free to use this to your advantage. Now, that's all you do need to know for this video. If you have any further questions, leave them in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day, and goodbye.